Don't worry. It's good.
We're out of gas. Go ask this house to borrow some.
It'll go too.
Let's go too.
It looks like they got gas, let's take it.
No, we have to ask them.
How about we take it, and if they say yes, we carry on. And if they say no, we still take it.
Okay, whatever. Let's go.
Hey kids, what y'all need?
Some gas, please.
Okay, come in, only one though.
Hey, let's go sneaking from the back.
Okay.
Okay, keep following me.
Be very quiet.
John, where are you? Please no.
Time for dinner.
What was that?
Wake up. Let's go. They're coming.